Roll the intro. Hey world, YouTube world, Nick Shepard here of the iLone Project. So I was sitting around the other day and I realized it had been a long time since I'd done a tutorial for you guys. So today I'm gonna do a very quick Photoshop tutorial for you. I plan on doing a lot more of these for the channel, guys, as I grow as a photographer and a videographer to help you guys out there grow as photographer and videographers. So for today's tutorial in Photoshop, I am going to show you a quick way to edit out any type of distraction you might have in your photos. If you take a picture and there's a tree in the way or a car or maybe even a person, to me this is actually the quickest way to remove those distractions from your photos in Photoshop. And per usual, let's jump right into it. So once you have your photo loaded into Photoshop, this is how simple it is. Go ahead and select your lasso tool. Up here in the top left, go ahead and find the object that you are trying to remove from your photo. We're going to zoom in just a little bit on this one and start tracing in the object you're trying to remove. Now mind you, Photoshop does a better job the closer you get to that object, but today we're going to be a little bit sloppy just to see how good it is. So once you have your object traced in and you see the marching ants, go up to Edit, select Content Aware Fill, and instantly, just like that, Photoshop chooses what to fill it in with, and it does a pretty good job. So let's go ahead and already hit Apply, let's hit OK, and back out. And there you go, just like that, you've got that car removed from the beautiful beach picture. It's crazy how good this program has gotten. So let's try one more picture. So just like before, once the photo is loaded into Photoshop, we are going to select our lasso tool, trace around the object that we are trying to remove from the picture, speed tracing on this one. And when you have your marching ants, go up to Edit, go down to Content Aware Fill, and let it do its thing. Bingo bango, hit Apply, hit OK. It is insanity that you can do that in your pictures now. So no matter what you're shooting, no matter where you're at, if there's a bunch of stuff in your shot, you can fix it now like that in Photoshop. So that's it, guys. That is hands down the fastest way to remove an unwanted object from one of your photos in Photoshop that I personally know of. I just wanted to share that with y'all. And again, as I continue to learn more about Photoshop, I will be creating more and more tutorial videos for you guys out there so you can learn as well. So with that being said, I will see you guys next time I decide to, I don't know, get creative. Deuces.